In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer messages in QuickBooks Online. If you want your sales forms to feel more professional and consistent, setting up default customer messages is a great way to do it. This allows you to create a standard message that will automatically appear when you send certain types of sales forms, helping you save time and keep your communication clear. To begin, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the gear icon to open Settings. From the menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you can manage a variety of preferences for your company, including the default messages that are sent with your sales forms. Once you're inside Account and Settings, look to the menu on the left side and click Sales. This section controls many of the options related to how you create and send sales documents. Scroll until you find the Messages section, then click the pencil icon to edit it. Clicking this edit icon unlocks the message settings so you can customize them. Next, use the Sales Form drop-down menu to choose the type of form you want to update. For example, you might choose an invoice, an estimate, or a sales receipt. This step is important because each form type can have its own default message, which gives you flexibility depending on what you're sending to customers. After selecting the form, you can check the box to format a standard greeting if you want QuickBooks to automatically include one. This is helpful if you want your messages to start in a polished and consistent way. Then type your custom text into the subject line and the email message boxes. Take a moment here to make your message clear, friendly, and appropriate for the form you're sending. Since these messages will be used again in the future, it's a good idea to keep the wording general enough to work for most customers. When you're finished, click Get to apply your changes, and then click Done to exit the settings area. From that point on, QuickBooks Online will use those default messages automatically for all future sales forms of that type. This is a simple but useful customization that can make your workflow faster and your customer communication more consistent. If needed, you can always return to the same messages section later and update the wording whenever your business needs change.